dear students, we are studying chapter number 2, that is health and diseases. In last video, we have studied about the non-communicable diseases. Some examples of non-communicable diseases. These are diabetes and cancer. So students, the diseases which cannot spread through infections, they are called as the non-communicable or non-infectious diseases. In today's video, we are going to learn next example which is given in your textbook, that is example number 3, called heart diseases. Heart diseases. Okay, what is mean actually by these heart diseases? What is the function of heart? How is our heart? So students, as we know that heart is a very important organ of the human, which is located in between two lungs. Heart, it is located in between two lungs, but it is slightly at the left side. It is slightly at the left side and protected with the thoracic cage. So students, we will see next the functions of heart. So students, heart is having two main functions. Heart, it is having two main functions. So first, it is controlling or controls blood pressure. Heart, it controls blood pressure and circulation of blood. These are two main functions of the heart. Now students, we know that due to this heart, due to this organ, blood, it is circulated all over the body, and all the blood vessels, these are connected with the heart. So blood vessels connected with the heart, and they are of two types. These blood vessels are of two types called arteries and veins. Arteries and veins. Now these arteries, how these two types are formed? See very carefully. These arteries carries the oxygenated blood from heart to the organ. These arteries carries oxygenated blood from heart to the organs. Where these are veins are the again blood vessels which carries deoxygenated blood from organ to the heart, and that is the main difference between these two type of vessels. See very carefully. Arteries, this carries oxygenated blood from heart to organ, and veins carries deoxygenated blood from organ to heart, and in this way the flow of blood is continuously present due to this heart. Means here the heart perform their function called circulation of blood, and also due to this circulation the blood pressure is maintained inside the body of human. Now students, what actually happens when a person suffering from heart diseases? Okay students, the last stage of this heart disease is to cause heart attack. Means it is a last stage. Before this, what happened? What are the reasons for heart diseases? What are their symptoms? We will see here. Now students, come to the point. As we have seen here, the heart perform their function called circulation of blood. While the circulating, due to some reasons, suppose this is any blood vessel. This is any blood vessel which is present near to the heart. Suppose this is present near to the heart. This is another vessel. This is another vessel, and these are present near to the heart. Sometimes due to some reasons, these are some substance, or it is mainly called as the cholesterol. It is called as the cholesterol that is accumulate inside this wall of arteries or wall of veins. Okay, so this is the cholesterol that is accumulates at inner side of blood vessels. This is accumulate at the inner side of blood vessel, and due to that, what happens? The blood cannot flow easily from that part. Okay, suppose this is another blood vessel in which that cholesterol is accumulate in this way. Okay, what will happen? It creates or it breaks the speed of blood. Okay, and due to that, blood cannot passes through that path easily, that vessel easily, and due to this the pressure is decreases or increases. Pressure is decreases or increases, and this is called pressure. That person is suffering from blood pressure. Either it is low BP or either it is high BP. Okay students, and it is all happen only due to this cholesterol, accumulation of cholesterol inside the wall of vessel, inside the wall of blood vessel. Okay students, so why it happens? So main thing or main reason behind this is obesity. So reasons for the heart diseases. First it is obesity. Second it is not proper diet, no proper diet. Third, alcoholism. Smoking is there. Okay, so due to these several reasons, what happens? The level of cholesterol inside the blood is increases. Due to this type of reason, this cholesterol inside the blood is increases and it accumulates on the this accumulates inside the wall of blood vessels, and due to that the pressure is changes. It may be decreases or it may be increases, and when that path is totally blocks, then the person suffering from the heart attack. Okay, the person suffer from heart attack, and sometime due to that heart attack, if that attack will be severe attack, person can death too. Okay students, so all these things happens in case of heart diseases. What are the reasons? So obesity, lack of exercise, not having proper diet, alcoholism, smoking, tension. So all that are the reasons of heart diseases. Students, symptoms. There are several symptoms. Now students, there are several symptoms for these heart diseases. If around us some patients, some persons, they are if suffer from the chest pains, shoulder pains, imbalancingness, so at that time we can say that that person is going to face heart attack. And if that unstoppable this type of symptom, if we observe in the patient of or if we observe in the person, at that time we want to hospitalize that patient because or due to which we can save that patient from the heart attack. Okay students, so these are the symptoms for the heart attack. These are chest pains, shoulder pains, imbalancingness. Okay, now there are several treatments for the heart diseases according to their severity. Okay students, we will see what are actually the treatments for these heart diseases. Treatments. Now first of that called angioplasty. Okay, first of that is angioplasty, in which what happen, if the amount of cholesterol accumulate inside the vessel, okay, amount of cholesterol accumulate inside the vessel is in very less proportion, in less amount, then the doctor recommend for the angioplasty, in which what happen, the bubbles are inserted, okay, at the path where blockages are seen. Okay, bubbles are inserted in this way. Okay, suppose this is a bubble which is inserted through the small surgery called angioplasty, and what happen, that bubble when enters in this path at the place of this blockage, it comes here and it expands that blood vessel, expands blood vessel, and due to that blood can circulate easily. Blood can circulate very easily. Okay, so in this way angioplasty is a type of small surgery is carried out in a patient, and due to which this blood circulation is or blood flows easily. Now come to the second treatment called bypass surgery. Bypass surgery. Now when the amount of cholesterol accumulate inside the vessel is in a large amount, it is seen into the 3-4 vessels up to 90% or more than 90%. Okay, so what happened? Doctor specially recommend for the bypass surgery, in which what happened, that part is cutted and another, it is replaced with another blood vessels from the patient of from the body of same patient. Okay, and this, in this way, that either the path of this will be changes. Okay, path of this vessel is changes, and sometime another vessel is fitted at the place of blockage, and this type of surgery called bypass surgery, which is again a large type of surgery. Now come to the next, that is pacemaker. Pacemaker. Okay, now what is pacemaker? Sometime we have seen or we have heard that the operation is carried out and pacemaker is fitted in the body of that person or in the body of that patient. Now what is this pacemaker? It is a device by which the pumping of heart carried out easily. Okay, when a person or heart of person, when the heart of person not works properly, okay, means it not contracts, relax, means it not pumping properly, at that time this type of device called pacemaker is fitted with or along with the collarbone. This type of pacemaker is fitted with the collarbone, by which, with the help of which, heart perform their work properly. Okay, so pacemaker is another treatment for the heart diseases. Now when these are several treatments for the heart diseases. Now if it is in the less amount, less proportion, only the person suffer the problem of blood pressure, either it is high or large, okay, high or less BP, then due to some exercise, due to having proper diet, healthy diet, that person can be cured with the disease or with the blood pressure. It can control their blood pressure due to or by doing some exercise, by having some healthy diet. So this is about the heart disease, which is a type of non-communicable or non-infectious diseases. Now next part we will see in the next video. Till then, thank you.